In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can blend images in Affinity Photo 2. So when you have your document ready, you can go to File and then choose Place to select the items you want to blend. Go to the location where those items are located, and then you can just drag to select all of them or shift-click to select the ones you want to have. And then when you click Open, as you can see now, they are loaded into the Place menu here, and they're also loaded onto your cursor. So if I now drag, I'm going to drag the beach picture, as you can see, and I'm going to put it roughly in the place where I want to have it. And now I have the woman, which I can also drag like this, and then I can take my move tool and place her roughly where I want to have it. Now, important point for the next step. As you can see, here is the spine of the bottom image. Just keep that in mind. Now with the top image selected, I'm going to click the mask icon, mask layer icon here. And now I'm going to take my gradient tool in the toolbar here, and I'm going to make a gradient. And as you can see now, I am already blending my two images together. So you have a slider here with which you can make the blend more seamless, more the way you want to have it. And basically we're already done. But I just want to show you. Let me Ctrl Command Z to undo. So here, you remember where the edge of the bottom picture was. If I now make a gradient to blend them, if I'm too close to this edge, as you can see, the edge stays visible. You can go and tweak it a bit, and now you can erase it. It takes a bit more work, but if you just be mindful that you aren't too close to that edge, it's easier to blend the images together. But it works out either way. So that's how you can blend the images together in Affinity Photo using a mask layer on your top image and a gradient tool to seamlessly blend them together. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.